When Henry logged into his PC one fine Wednesday and opened his e-learning course modules for the day, the only reaction he gave was a tired sigh and a palm to his forehead. At the same time, a few hundred meters away, Mark started his day the same way, logging into his PC and opening his course modules for the day. His reaction to his course, however, was different. Unlike Henry, Mark's face broke into a smile, and his hands flew excitedly across the keyboard to begin learning. The difference in these reactions had only one reason: the personalization of their e-learning journeys. While both of them had personalized pathways in their courses, in the sense that they were allowed to pick and choose the topics they do, the entirety of Henry's course was laid out in either PPT slides and 1-hour-long videos of the same person talking on compliance training topics. On the other hand, Mark's course was laid out so that it began with an introductory micro-learning video on compliance training and incorporated formats such as simulations, carousels, and more on the different topics. The approach used here in Mark's case is called blended learning. In blended learning, you combine traditional and in-person instruction using the best of different learning formats, all as per what suits the learner the best. This helps not only engage the learner well, but also makes sure that the taught information is remembered for quite a while. And by the way, to make things easier, you can also use AI to develop e-learning courses in blended learning format and to make your courses as responsive as you want. So make sure to try it out as soon as you can and experience the magic of combining blended learning and personalized learning together.